In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Todoist account in 2025. Whether you're moving on to a different task management tool or simply taking a digital detox, this step-by-step guide will help you through the entire process of deleting your Todoist account. First things first, we need to log into your Todoist account. Head over to the Todoist website at todoist.com. Once you're there, look for the login button. You can sign in using your account credentials, whether that's through Google, Apple, or directly via your email and password. Make sure you have access to the email linked to your account because it might come in handy later. Once you're inside your account, we'll navigate to the account settings. Locate your profile picture in the top right corner. That's where you'll find access to various settings. Click on your profile picture and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings to proceed. In the Settings menu, pay attention to the left sidebar where you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab named Account. This section contains options related to your personal information and account preferences. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you find the Delete Account section. This is the area we need to focus on. At the bottom, there's a button labeled Delete My Account. Click this button and be prepared for a quick verification step. Todoist will ask you to enter your account password again. This is for confirmation purposes, ensuring that the deletion request comes from the account holder. Once you've entered the password, proceed by clicking Delete Account once more to finalize everything. It's important to know that this action will permanently delete all tasks, projects, and integrations associated with your account. In some cases, Todoist might require an additional step for security reasons. You might receive a confirmation email in your inbox, so go ahead and open your email app or service. Look for an email from Todoist. Within that message, there should be a confirmation link. Click this link to complete the deletion process. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Todoist account. Remember, once deleted, it's a permanent move, so ensure that is indeed what you want before proceeding. If you ever need to use Todoist again, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment or question if you need further clarification. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides. Until next time.